Go.
Do you want to brush your teeth? Yes. Okay, go get your stool. Go get your stool. Go get your stool. Bring it in here. There you go. Good. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Turn it around. Okay, brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Okay, brush your teeth. Yeah, good. Nice and clean. Nice and clean. Brush them.
Mama.
Good boy.
Mama.
Okay, what do we do then? Brush your teeth. Good. Brush your teeth.
All gone?
All gone. Are you done?
No.
Oh.
Eggs?
Your hands are clean.
Eggs.
Thank you. Okay. All right. What's your name? Trevor. Let's see those teeth. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh, they're so pretty. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, are you done now? Let's be done. All done. Spit in the sink. Okay, all done. Go like that with your toothbrush. No, no more. Put your toothbrush up. You gotta put your stool back. Put your toothbrush up here. All done. Nope. Nope, all done. Let's go. Put your toothbrush up and put your stool away. Put the stool back. All done. Thank you. Nope, all done. Yes. Put your stool back. Okay. Let me see this. Oh, good boy. Okay, put your stool back. Put your stool back. Come on, let's go. Come on. Get down and put your stool back. Thank you. All done. All done. Thank you. Let's see those teeth. Let's see the. Oh, nice.